Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop, or as you know I like to say in these videos, welcome to my computer. Today we're going to talk about Harbor Freight again, because Harbor Freight has a sale that I think is worthwhile talking about. Is it the best sale in the world? No. Some of you are probably going to complain about it, and that's okay. I understand. It's not as good as it used to be for certain things, but if you're in the need for a few of the items they have on sale this particular weekend, it is possibly a good deal, which is why I am mentioning this one. First, the basic facts. It is starting today, Friday, August 13th, running through Sunday, August 15th. It is a coupon based sale. I see absolutely no mention of Inside Track Club here, so there's nothing I see particularly special for Inside Track Club members. So this is for everybody. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coupons we're going to talk about. Very quickly, I'm going to just discuss the 7 of them, and then we'll look at each one individually. All U.S. General stuff is 10% off. All jacks are 10% off. I think the good coupons are right here. 20% off all sockets and ratchets, and 20% off all grinders and their accessories and consumables. Because you're getting up to that 20% savings here with no exclusions. Now, all pumps are 15% off, as well as all Portland outdoor power equipment that they sell, as well as 30% off batteries. So let's go into each one of these and take a closer look. Now, the U.S. General stuff here, as you can see, there's 162 items they're saying are on this sale. It looks like the coupon just basically does a search of U.S. General, and every single U.S. General thing pops up. Are these the greatest sales? No, because it's only 10%. We all know this 5-drawer can be had for $199 almost all the time on either Instant Savings or Inside Track Club, because they show up there all the time. Same with the 4-drawer, which usually is less than $199. So I don't think the U.S. General cabinets themselves at 10% is that good, because you can get them cheaper. But if you need one and you need it now, at least you can save $70 on this new 34-inch full bank cart, which probably hasn't shown up anywhere on sale yet. So, you know, it's at least cheaper than regular, and it's not excluded, which these things a lot of times would have been excluded on the old 20% coupon. And you can get all those magnetic accessories that they make now that you can stick to the side of your cabinet. So there is some advantage to those things to get 10% off. Jacks is a mixed bag here. It's only 10% as well. These almost always show up on the Inside Track Club sales and the Instant Savings sales. So are you going to find one cheaper than 10% off? Probably, but I don't know which one. You know, they have so many of them. You know, right here, the search shows 28 different jacks. Now, the Daytona jacks are usually excluded from a lot of coupons, but the Pittsburghs are not. So I'm thinking if you're looking for a Daytona jack, this might be an okay deal. If you're going to buy a Pittsburgh jack, you could probably find this jack cheaper if you wait for it to show up on the Inside Track Club monthly deal if you're an Inside Track Club member, or obviously the Instant Savings deals that they do now. The jacks almost always show up in those things. Moving on to what I think is the meat and potatoes of this sale. It's the 20% off of these two here. Let's look at the sockets and ratchets. I think the fact, you know, I use Quinn for my ratchets, for the ratchets that I've purchased from Harbor Freight. And I do believe that the Quinn ratchets are more than what I need to do work on my woodworking tools and to keep a set behind the seat of my truck in case I break down. I'm not a wrench turner. I'm not somebody that works on my vehicles all the time. I don't need the Icon brand here, but if you do, and you know who you are, you need the higher end tools, you're going to get 20% off of these, and these are almost always excluded from all sales. So this is the time to jump on the Icon brand if that's what you're interested in. But obviously the Pittsburgh brand, and as we can see if we scroll further into this, so we see the Quinn socket sets are also listed. So guys, I'm interested in this little $60 set right here that I can get at 20% off $60, and I'm going to stick that right behind the seat of my truck and pretty much consider myself covered in the back of my pickup for whenever I need to do anything in the truck. So that's what I'm looking at for this sale. I think, quite frankly, the Quinn ratchets are perfectly fine for somebody like me. But if you're into the Icon or even the Pittsburgh line, they're all on sale for 20%. Same with grinders, guys. Corded grinders, battery operated grinders, bench grinders, and all of their accessories, the wheels, the sanding discs, the cutoff wheels, everything and anything you can put on a grinder is on sale. Some wire wheel stuff. Basically, the entire kit and caboodle for grinders is on sale, 20% off. Somebody go into the store and see if you can get a battery. As you can see, they are selling at 20% off the battery powered grinders as well as the corded grinders, and they're calling for all accessories and consumables. As far as I'm concerned, that battery should be considered an accessory. I'm going to go out on a limb and say you're not going to get that battery for 20% off. But it's worth a try, right? What the heck? Pumps, all the pumps they sell are on sale for 15% off. I'm not really that knowledgeable on pumps, guys, so I'm just bringing this up for your information. If you need a pump, you know what it is, and there they are. Same with the Portland outdoor power tools. They have 7 of them here. They are all on sale for 15% off. Another thing to look at is the batteries, guys. They carry some batteries that are okay, and they carry some that you probably should avoid. I'm going to be honest with you. The batteries that say Edge on them, here's the C cells, here's the Ds and the AAAs, 9 volts and AA's. I think these are pretty good, and at 30% off $8, it'd be okay to stock up on some of those, throw them in the fridge. These yellow ones, I just do not trust those batteries at all, guys. Even at $2.50, I would not buy them. Getting 30% off of them, they're just not worth it. They're not worth anything. So that's my opinion on the batteries. I think the Edge batteries are worth it. I am not familiar with the button batteries they sell. So I would be interested in having somebody give us some comments on the button batteries for, these certain types of buttons, and obviously the hearing aid batteries as well, because you can get hearing aid batteries on sale for 30% off as well. And if you need those, that might be a very good deal and a good time to stock up on them. But I am not a user of hearing aid batteries, so I would appreciate if somebody could give us a comment explaining their good or bad usage from Harbor Freight. So there you have it, guys. That's the whole sale. Like I said, I think some of you are going to make the usual comments that Harbor Freight no longer works for them, and some of you will probably say, hey, great, thanks for this. I love this sale. I saved 20% on a ratchet. It's going to be hit or miss. I think that's the way Harbor Freight coupons are going to go from now on for a while, because a lot of people are just upset that they don't do the generic 20% anymore. And sadly, guys, that's just life, and we just have to live with it. So I hope you like this. If you did, please hit the like button. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.